Motherfucker. Another load right on my window. That's how it is. Alright, alright. You see this shit? You see this shit? Bird shit. Yeah, thanks. That helps. Nah. Not gonna sit back this time. Last time a bird shit on my car. I'm not fucking standing for it. We're gonna fucking do something about this. You thinking what I'm thinking? Yeah, let's fuck. These birds up. Let's fuck these birds up. Got it. Go. I think we got it, yeah. Burn this motherfucker down. Get some. Eat shit. Whoa. It happened. It's happening, dude. Dude, come check this out, man. Come on, man. We did it.
Temperature increases are taking place all over the world, and the Arctic is experiencing faster melting.
Oh.
This is what would happen in Florida. Around Shanghai, the area around Calcutta, this is the biggest crisis in the history of this country.
Soft to try, for a smile they can share.